how to make handwritten notes using ChatGPT. So as you can see, I have created this handwritten notes by ChatGPT. To do this, just come to ChatGPT and type here a prompt I will give you. So type here this prompt, and what is your topic? Just add your topic here. Okay, my topic is the French Revolution. Now just search it, send it. It will give you a notes. Okay. Now scroll down and copy these responses. Copy it and just go to the website called text2handwriting.com. Okay, text2handwriting.com. Open it. Just select any of these writing. Okay, these all are handwritten. You can see the result here. I will select this handwriting 8. This handwriting. Okay. Now click here, Control A and backspace. Delete all these texts. Now look here carefully. First, you need to click here in this box and paste your content. Okay. Now just click here again and click Control plus A to select all and Control plus C to copy it. And click here this page and paste here these texts for better formatting. Okay. And make sure to delete this box text. Okay. Delete it. Now scroll down, click on generate image, wait for image. Now you can see all of your notes. Just click on download all images PDF. Click on this file. Now you can see your handwritten notes is successfully created. Okay.